Hi guys, it's Colette, and today for day 3 in my 12 days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Waterfall Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color, I'm going to be using Color Club's Don't Think Twice, topped with Holo Taco Scattered Holo Taco. And then for the dots, I'm going to be using Essie Blue Rhapsody, Essie No Place Like Chrome, and Essie Good as Gold. I added a quick dry top coat after the Holo Taco just to speed up drying a little bit because it's easier to dot on a dry base. Then I've got a lid here that I'll be using to put my polish out on, and I'm going to be working one color and one size at a time. Once you're done with all the dots, you can finish with another layer of top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. On camera, the chromes are a little bit subtle, but they are more colorful in person. And I think they look a little bit like trees from this angle, but if you switch it up, then they have more of an icicle vibe. And neither one of those were exactly what I was going for. I was just thinking of a Waterfall Dotticure, but I'm not mad at it. I did add that scattered Holo Taco, so let me give you guys a little bit of flashlight time. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube soon. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.